Food is starting to look good, which means I'm shopping hungry. Dun, dun, dun. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I just had the most fun live in here with you guys. We found so many new name brand makeup items. We saw the new shoes. We saw about 30 different brand new candles. There's like 7 or 8 brand new collections of candles that are out. Like, I am super impressed. But I figured we would take a look down the snack aisle because it's been a minute, and these are definitely new in my store. 4 bags in a bag, 4 servings. Banana chips, raisins, dried papaya, dried pineapple, and dried coconut. The brand is Nature's Garden. And here is a look at the nutrition facts, in case you need it. Perfect for the beach or picnics or out running errands. Pre-portioned, easy to give to the kids. Snyder's are here. Snyder's aren't always here, but I'm always happy to see them. We have Cheetos Puffs, the little bags of Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and of course Chester's, which is the exact same brand as Cheetos. In case you didn't know, it's the same brand. I'm gonna give you guys another little tidbit. Ooh, look you guys, Mountain Trail Mix, also another one. 4 bags. And here's the nutrition facts. Okay, hopefully it's here since I want to share. But you guys know that we have, I don't think it's here. You guys know that we have Super Pretzel, right? We have the Super Pretzel Soft Bites. But if you guys ever see that box that says, I think Baker's Square, if you guys ever see the box of big pretzels, that is by the same brand as Super Pretzel. So you're actually getting Super Pretzel bites and Super Pretzels in the box. I think it's J&J Snacks. Oh, sure, hon. Which way? This way? Wow, look you guys, look at all the bins. With the handles, red, blue, green. The squishy ones, I saw those a couple weeks ago. We even have clear. I wonder if these are by Sterilite. Nope. It looked kind of like a Sterilite bin. Even more down here. I love those squishy ones because they fit in cubbies. And if it's not quite the right dimensions, it'll still fit. And then look, you guys, the party tubs are still here. Ooh, these are so pretty. I got some of these for some of my candy stash a few months back in sort of a light color, like a light pink. But I really like these. It's a little storage box. Don't forget to get your lid though. These are kind of flimsy. They're okay. Perfect for papers though. These, all of the little baskets, they kind of look like berry baskets. That just reminded me. I bought some berry baskets earlier in the season. I think I did. And I have to remember to use them. I think it got back in the cupboard. It got pushed back in the cupboard. All the gloves. Let's see if we have anything new over here. I'm not really expecting to see more new candles considering how many I saw. But sometimes we see name brand candles over here as well. All of the Sure scents are here. And we have Airwick. A few varieties of scents. Lots and lots of Airwick. Let's see if we have anything else new over here. I saw these in my other store. I don't think I saw this one though. Good Times and Grill lines. Grill, eat, chill, repeat, and cold drinks, good eats, and barbecue. One of you gave me the best suggestion ever. I was talking about how something was too high to reach, and one of you suggested that I grab a grabber in the store and then get what I want. And I had never ever thought of that idea. That's such a perfect idea. These are nice. We have green, pink, blue, and clear. These are so cute. This is like so rubbery and nice. Like, I just love that. I was saying that when I saw them in the other store. I really love how that feels. Ooh, you guys know how I feel about the blue. By Chris Starr, so pretty. So, so pretty. These are so sturdy. Speaking of sturdy, look at this one. That must weigh 3 pounds. You'll get tired just drinking it. I really like these. I bought some of these some months ago and they're really holding up nicely. Happiness is you. Oh, these are cute. These are kind of cute. This is my first time seeing the salad tongs with a different color. I don't think they belong over here, but that's my first time seeing that configuration. Oh, here are the little berry and veggie storage bins. Aren't they cute, you guys? We have blue, red, and green. So cute. I think I bought a couple of these. Now I need to go home and look. I think I bought 2. Or I was thinking about getting 2. Ooh, look at these. These are new. Whoa, a 4-way closure? Nice. What are these? Containers and lids. And it has a twist top. I like that concept. And we have the ounces and the cups on the side. Those are nice too. Okay, food is starting to look good, which means I'm shopping hungry. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see if we have any new ice cream. Fruit Loops, Ice Pops, Ices. Ice cream. Oh, I should get some of these for my kids. 5 Sour Patch Kids. They really like the strawberry shortcake one. They really like those a lot. I might have to get them one of those before I go. Fudge and salted caramel. Ooh. Here they are. Yes, they will be so happy if I go out to the car with one of these. They will be so, so happy. Ooh, and we have the Sonic Cherry Limeade Ice Pops. Yeah, you guys. There's definitely more food to look at. I did find a few of the Premier protein drinks, and we do have the Very Vanilla Boosts. That's a really good deal to get those here. The king size Lucky Charms, the Rice Krispie Treats, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Cocoa Puffs, the Golden Graham king size s'mores treats, soft croissants. That has a vanilla cream. This one has a chocolate cream, and this one has strawberry and vanilla. Ooh, I've never had these in my life, but don't they look kind of good? Zingers. I wonder how many points those are. And more zingers. But these ones look really good. Raspberry iced cake with creamy filling. Ooh, orange cupcakes. Yeah, I'm definitely hungry. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna find some more new items to share with you guys. I know we have one more food aisle to look down, and then we possibly have some impulse buy items to look at as well. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.